A lot of people requested part two on the cold calling video, so here it is, guys. And literally me searching up the leads. Literally, I'm finding these leads out of thin air, like literally going to Google, going on Instagram, finding these leads directly. So look at how I do my research on a lead before I even call in, the structure that we use. If you guys haven't watched the first framework, it's literally on the last video that I just posted, the entire cold calling framework, and then me literally cold calling, searching up leads, finding out and pointing things out so we differentiate ourselves. If you guys don't know me already, my name is Armando Garcia. I ran up 2 marketing agencies. My first one, I scaled it up to 60K per month with a partner. My second one, I started up by myself, scaled it up to over 130K per month. Right now, we're on the road to 200K per month. We deliver results for clients. We are good at client acquisition and a lot of this stuff. So let me know what you guys also want to see on future videos. But with that said, right now, I'm literally just searching up a lead, found it on Facebook, and then the rest of the video just plays. So take notes. With that said, let's dive in. Let's give him a call, bro. You see what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to really find out these guys. So we're gonna go through let's look at the reviews. Had a house now for many years. Has been family wanted to remodel. Couldn't find any affordable in my area. Most individuals wanted charging a however it's all done, and my wife loves the new view. Definitely good decision. Jordy helped me. His name is Jordy.
So what happens if we can't find him?
And then you just call based on the business name. But let me call Jordy up, bro. I'm liking Jordy. Jordy sounds like a cool guy, man. Let's call up Jordy. Matter of fact, let's check up his Facebook. Is he running any ads? Maybe he's running ads already. Not currently running ads. Okay, we're gonna call him, asking him about his services. I'm gonna go 2 for 2 on booking appointments right now, or sending looms. Yeah. Watch this, bro. I'll go 2 for 2 right now. 712. This iPhone update is gonna piss me off, bro.
Thanks, Armando. Please stay on the line.
I think it's the AI receptionist, no?
Nah, I think it's the iPhone update.
Sorry, this.
Hello.
Hello, how's it going? Is this Jordy here?
This is Jordy speaking. Can I help you?
How you doing, Boston? How you doing, man?
Good. What's going on, brother?
Doing amazing, doing amazing. I was calling in. I mean, I found you guys. I seen you guys' reputation. People talk about like you guys have great pricing and everything. Wanted to see, do you guys do full blown remodels like interior, exterior? What do you guys all do?
We do interior, exterior, round up. Yes, sir. We do it all.
Right on, man. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I see turnkey home remodeling. Right on, man. Just curious, how are you guys getting most of your work right now?
A lot of it's by referral. We've tried doing a lot of like we've tried doing like Facebook and Google and Thumbtack, a bunch of different things, but they're not. They haven't really. I didn't really like the way that they work. So right now, how we've been working is really through referral.
Right on. I mean, dude. I mean, the reviews. All I have to say, man, the reviews that you have for your company speak highly of you guys. So that's amazing. I wanted to be able to partner up with someone here in the Houston area. I'm in the Houston area myself. To bring him in more work, but the thing is, it's very hard to just find solid contractors. And I went through your guys' reputation and stuff. Like it really stuck out to me. I was gonna say for Thumbtack and Facebook and stuff like that. What do you say? Did you do that yourself, or you hired out someone to do that for you?
I did it myself.
Okay, right on, man, right on. So, I mean, to be fully transparent, like I'll be honest, like I could give you the work, but I can't do the work myself. Why? Because I mean, I'm not a specialist in that, and vice versa. You know, especially like it just goes both ways. You know, like for example, you're the owner of the company, and I'm guessing the website that you have right now, you built that one yourself.
Yes, sir, I did.
Right on,
very,
man.
Very basic, very just something I have up for now.
No, and dude. I mean, dude, props to you. Like you're dude. That speaks highly of you. Like you're handling business. That's amazing. If you don't mind me, if I could do this for you, Jordy, look, if I could set up a quick preview breaking down how I could get you in more work from full remodels, exterior models, the whole 9 yards, breaking it all down, and even with a preview and an updated site that can bring in like a sales-driven site, would you be open to looking at that?
Yeah, but right now I'm kind of busy, brother. Would this be like an email presentation or something? Or
it'll be a message presentation. I'll shoot you a message. You open it up. You look at it. You like what you see, man. We could just set up a quick 15-minute call and we can talk about getting you in more work.
Okay, sounds good, brother. Go ahead and send me that. What's your name again?
Armando.
Okay, Armando. Mucho gusto, brother, and I'll be waiting for that text.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Jordy, 100%, man. Like I said, I like people like you, man. You have a good reputation.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir. Sounds good, Jordy. Yes, sir.
All right.
Damn.
Like, bro, like, you just guys seen me. Like, there's no pauses in this. I searched up the leads. I searched them up. Me and Jordy, we're gonna be partnered up.
That's crazy.
If you really, bro, if I lost everything right now, pick up my damn laptop, call people up, and I'm fucking closing deals. Straight to closing deals. Send this guy a loom. Send that guy a loom. Follow up. Play the follow-up game. Hey, this guy liked me.
Yeah.
Last guy liked me. You're going to buy from someone that you like.
How long ago, man?
Did you see me follow a script?
Mm-mm.
Did you see me follow a frame?
Mm-mm.
Why? Because, bro, what did I get to tell you guys? We're identifying problems. So, what do I call it? If you're watching this, you got to do something known as a pattern interrupt. These guys are wired. They hear like, Google my business. They hear this. They hear that. They hear this. They hear that. Like, dude, they're probably like, dude, they're fucking over it, bro. They're over it. Like, fully transparent. These guys are over it.
What is the pattern interrupt that you use?
What do you think that was a pattern interrupt that I used here? What do you think that was, Azel?
You complimented him on his reviews. You asked him about his work. What else you mentioned?
You asked him if this
You just mentioned if
you do
he
all of
works
this.
on the marketing himself, you dug deeper.
Yeah.
Realistically, you dug deeper during the
you asked him
call.
about his services.
So what I did right away, right, and I kind of forgot how the call went, but like literally as soon as I called, I was like, oh, this is Prominent General Contractors. Right on, Jordy. Right on, man. I mean, dude, first things first, I was looking at the reputation. You guys have an outstanding reputation. I was just kind of wondering what all services you guys do. Like, do you guys do the full-blown, interior, exterior? Yeah, we do this, we do that. Oh, okay, yeah, I see that in the segment. Right on. And, do you guys, like, how are you guys currently getting work? Like, I kind of, like, slowly shifted into it, eased into it.
You questioned them.
Yeah, like, how
what
do you
they
guys get your work? So this guy's kind of like all over. He's kind of all over the place. Like, is this a homeowner calling? Is this a freaking like marketer? Like, who is this guy? Like,
Yeah.
bro just took me from this to the like.
So I'm sure they get a lot of spam calls too, right? From the Google My Business.
Yeah, 100%, bro, 100%. That's literally 2 calls right there. Boom, we send this guy, dude. Y'all can split these 2. Guarantee you. I will not call myself Mondo the marketer if I don't close both of these guys. Jordy's a guaranteed close. I love him. And there you guys have it. So just let me know, guys. Do y'all guys want to see more and more of these YouTube videos? I'll be more consistent with it. Let me know down in the comments. What else you guys want me to go into? Outreach strategies, sales, break down sales calls. Me show you actual sales calls of me closing deals. Let me know what you guys want to see. Drop it down in the comments. See you on the next video.